Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Mohd Hasrul HAMZAH. Today I want to present about our mini project team design of a grid connected PV power system for residential application in London, United Kingdom. This study totally focused on grid connected solar system for residents in London, United Kingdom. This grid connected PV system have solar panels that provide some or even most of their power needs during the daytime while still being connected to the local electrical grid network at night. Homes and buildings that use the grid connected PV system use solar energy and still use electrical mains during night or cloudy dull and rainy days. Background study and design problems. Around 60% of solar irradiance found in the equator and in some areas in the south is receive a comparable amount of sunlight to that in Germany. UK has more than enough sunlight, especially in the south area, in order to power solar panel despite its reputation for having rays and cloudy weather. It actually gets the same amounts of solar energy as certain areas in France or Spain, which aim to have a more Mediterranean climate. Project flow. Project flow. The project started with identify meteorological data from uh, 4 years to 21 in London by researching the internet source. Then the average temperature, solar irradiance, and peaks on hour value per every month needs to be identified. The residential load profile need to identify and calculate to determine daily load consumption for the residential house in London. And then we design the proposed PV system, provide online diagram of the design PV system, provide specification data sheet for each component selected, and then evaluate the cost analysis. The proposed location for designing grid connected roof PV system is in London, UK. The meteorological data for London in the year 2001 obtained from World Weather Online are recorded in this table. According this table, the average temperature, solar irradiance, and pH are 11.79 degrees, 3.187 kilowatt hour per meter, and 3.877 hours respectively. These figures show the monthly temperature and solar irradiance at the Londons. Uh, June and July is the highest temperature for London area. Residential load profile. The power demand is the papers come from the common double-story house located in London. This daily usage of electrical appliance consists of light, refrigerator, television, heater, and heat pump. The total power consumption for resident house in London 650.25 kilowatt hours. London electric tariff for residential house is 0.189 pound. Therefore, the total electrical bill for a month is 123.46 pound. This is the power PV system design where we choose solar panel from LG Neon 400 N2WA5 boost converter. We use TD Lambda EZA2 500320048 inverter Daiye Sun 10 kg. Okay, for the rooftop 16 meter times 8 meter. Module sizings around 1.125 meter multiples 1.24 meters. Maximum numbers of solar modules can be installed for 42 units to 49 units. Module per string 2 units. A new string voltage around 81.2 volts. Power of the solar modules in series use 800 watt. Maximum number of strings connected to the boost converter equal 3 units. Maximum numbers of arrays connected use inverter 5 units. Design of roof solar PV system, 30 units, and 30 PV module connected to 5 unit boost converter and 1 unit inverter. Design of PV system, 30 PV module connected to 5 unit boost converter and 1 unit inverter. This is a single line for design PV system. Okay, cost analysis. For PV panel, the total price is 6,000 pound. Boost converter, quantity 5, around 17,500. Inverter 500. Cables installation and others cost is 5,000. So the total cost to design this PV system is around 29,000 uh, 29,000 pound. Return of investment around 15 years. Okay. The conclusion, the grids connected PV system for residential application has been designed successful with generation capacity of 866.7 kilowatt-hour per month. This system able to provide an income approximately 1,965.68 per year by paying around 39,000 for initial investment. The homeowner will be able to receive the profit from installation after around 15 years. 15 years. Last but not least, we also gain a lot of knowledge from these mini projects, as we learn to design and calculate the grid connected PV system, how to solve the problem by analyzing the alternative, and create the more experience in soft skill in Microsoft Word, Excel, and others software. That's all. Thank you from me.